Memorandum of understanding be dealt with between the private school and the government. Okay? So yan lang, madali. Madali na kaysa magpunta pa pila ka days, 90 days, blah blah blah. With that billions of may pa ng billions of pesos, mo nang i-partnership with the private schools. They already have ready teachers to teach. They already ready laboratory to for the hands-on of the students. Everything is well done by the private schools. Kasayang, ma-idol lang na sa mga resources private school because wala man sila enrollment. So, ang 11 and 12, at to i-house sa private schools.
So, I'd like to ka nang ask na lang katong pabalik na naman, sir, on the record. Ano yung panawagan natin sa mga nag-drop out, yung mga tumigil muna sa kanilang pag-aaral sa college?
Okay, I'd like to call all those dropouts to please back to school. And then, there are alternative learning activities now in the government. It's either kung dili nila kaya, they can have as assistance from this local government so that they'll become the scholar of the local government to continue their studies in the colleges and universities para makaabot pa sila sa old curriculum. Dili sila maiian sa 2018 nga yung curriculum ng tanan. So I'd like to request you also nga please do prepare yourselves because this time bisan gani nga naatay na human ang mga industry mamili sad nga makamao kay basin ka na atong grado atong diploma na human mga atong pagtanas ng transcript of records hatsa lang ang atong grado 75 bitad hapon naman ang grado. So ang industry dili sa man nato unsa kahaba sige papasang awa na lang ni sa teacher. So the industries are very choosy now. They will be looking at your, like me, when I manage a school, my first evidence to look into is the transcript of records. But sometimes, very brightly siya, but the attitudes and values is lacking. May batasan yung summa cum laude graduate da, 1.0 grade, pero ang batasan, permilate trabaho, I also consider that, the attitude. So dapat, you must be equipped both the knowledge, skills, attitudes, and values must be balanced. Dili kay super bright, first place na sa board exam, pag-abot sa trabaho, maglabaw pas manager. Alas 10 ako masulod og mahan, total makahuman ko sa trabaho for 1 hour only. Oh my God. That's wrong, di ba? Okay. Okay.
For follow-up.
Sige.
Follow-up.
414-9194. Okay. Okay, kung nagustuhan ko siya na po, 414-9194, 414-9195 na akong cellphone.